Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, so last time we did, after designing this our landing page, we did not do the prototype. We didn't run the prototype, like full page prototype. So the only thing we just focused on was just some of the interactions. So I know I'm supposed to teach you guys, okay, when I click on home, where is it going to take me to? When I click on about, where is it going to take me to? When I click on services or blog or contact us or this. So now in this our landing page we did, we don't have blog. So automatically I'm going to change that blog to FAQ. So I'm going to change so I'm going to, on the header, I'm going to change the contact us to FAQ. I'm going to change the block to testimonial, and uh, this is going to be our services, and this is going to be about us. So I'm going to change this. So I'm going to change this blog to testimonial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my components here. So I want to run the prototype for us just on the landing page. So this is going to be testimonial. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to bring this down here. So I'm going to change this blog to testimonial. Now I've changed it. Now I've changed it because these are the information that is on this page. So let me come back to here to see if this is actually set. So I'm going to set this now. To set this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, switch to it. Then I want to take out this header here, this Figma header here. I'm going to click here and then come here and say hide UI. So when I hide UI, this is how it's going to look like. Now this is what it look like. So I want a situation when I click any of this, it's going to take me to the section. So this is about section. This is the services. Then the next one is testimonial, and then this other one is FAQ. So and then we have get started, and then the logo also is going to be clickable to take us to the top. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come to prototype here. So this is the hero section here. So this is already in auto layout. So I'm just going to take it out. And this other section is in auto layout. Okay, this other one they are not standing on its own. Okay, all these ones are not standing on its own. So I'm going to call this about. So I'm going to call this about. And then I'm going to call this one services. So this is going to be services. I already have hero, so this is going to be testimonial. So let me just put test. Testimonial. This is going to be FAQ. And the last one is going to be footer. The last one is going to be footer. So we can leave that other one here. So what I'm going to do now, I want to run a prototype that if I click any of the text link from the header, it's just going to take me straight to it. So what I'm going to do now, I'll come to the prototype section. So I'm going to click on about us. So click on about us. Now, about us should take me to the about us section. Now, the about us should take me to this about section here. Now, if you scroll down, so you should just take me scroll to the about us. How do you want it to look like instant? So let's just say animate. So how do you want it? Do you want it ease, bounce, or anything? So let's just use ease out. So let's test what we've done. So if I click on about, let me go back to this. So you can see that it's very fast. So I'll come back here. So let's just use instant. I'm going to return back to this place. You can see that I want it to kind of um let's use this. Let's use bounce. So I know I just love bounce or slow. Let's use slow. Okay, I think this is better. Let's try bounce and see what bounce look like. Or even gents, you can just play around with it to just get it the way you want it to look like. No, this bounce. No, I think I prefer instead of bounce, you can use gentle. I think this is better. So I'm using gentle and let's see, let's use 500, 5,000 or 500. I'm going to scroll back to the top. So now I've done for about. So the next section I'm going to do is going to be our services. So I'm going to click on our services here. I'm just going to move it to the place. Automatically, this is our services here. It's going to pick the last settings. So it's going to pick the last settings here for me. So I'm going to check what I've done. So I've done for about us and our service. Let's see our services. So I think 500 is fast. So 500 is fast. So let's make it. I'm just going to take this up. So I think the 500 is fast. So I'll just make it. Let's make it the 800. I see that this one the about us is 500, while the services is 800. I think I prefer the 800 milliseconds. So I'm just going to click on about us here, click here. Then I'm going to change this to 800 milliseconds. So I've changed it to 800 milliseconds. So this is what I have for about us, and this is what I have for services. So I'm going to repeat the same for testimonial and then FAQ. So I'm going to click here. So it's already having the previous prototype setting, which is okay for me. So I'm just going to move this to testimonial section. Hmm. It's happening now. So I'm just going to use the same settings, which is okay for me. I'm going to use the same settings, which is okay for me. So I'm also going to repeat the same thing for FAQ. So make sure you rename all your section when you're trying out the prototype. Just let you scroll down to this is actually not in this is actually showing me 0 0 frame 104. So I'm just going to come here and then select it to each section like this. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'll come back to my prototype here. So I have for about I have our services like this. I have testimonial like this. Now testimonial is taking me this way. So I want it to start from here. So I'm going to go back here. The service is not coming from this place. So this is the FAQ. The about doing this. If I click out, you see that it's telling me that you don't have any. So for home, I'm going to take it back to home. So the home is going to be from here to the video section. That's the home. Same thing with the logo. So let's see what we've done. So if I am on this page, I click here, just take me to this place. So this was what I said I'm going to show you guys how to do in case you want to just do prototype for only your landing page. So this is how to do it. So you can just scroll like this and then see all your prototypes. This is it. Do you have any question concerning this? Ibrahim, I did not hear you.